Introducing OraSaifu, the first of its kind, all-in-one solution for your asset storage, transaction, and recovery. No more hassles from the outdated wallets. The OraSaifu allows you safely store all your cards, cryptocurrencies, even the membership card from your local store in one place. Everything is organized and accessible at your fingertips. You can use the OraSaifu to pay through NFC POS terminals, store all your cryptos, unlock your door, even use it to exchange name cards, all with this simple but fantastic hardware. Billions of dollars worth of asset get hacked or stolen every year. You should worry about yours as well. OraSaifu is the first hardware on Earth using both TEE and SE technology to guarantee 100% security over your asset storage and transaction. For cryptocurrency users, you can use OraSaifu as a cold wallet. And unlike the traditional cold wallet using USB port for data transfer, OraSaifu uses NFC and dynamic QR code technology that is entirely off the grid. You can have full control of your crypto asset and make peer-to-peer transaction anywhere you want. Traditional credit cards and crypto software wallets are still hackable when they got lost or stolen. Not with OraSaifu. OraSaifu Smart Wallet will self-erase all your key information after 5 passwords fail attempts. Your asset will never be passed to the wrong hands. What about data recovery? Introducing BPAL, the NFC-enabled backup chip for OraSaifu. This one-tap recovery solution provides an effortless way to recover your data. For crypto users, the BPAL can also replace the recovery words more securely and reliably. We believe a wallet should be not only functional but also be artistic. The OraSaifu has a 4-inch Retina Sapphire display with a screen-to-body ratio of 83.8%. And it has gone through 45 steps of polish and multi-layer coating. The body is designed to fit for your palm. We are a team formed by scientists and top developers specialized in blockchain and digital security. We are confident about OraSaifu, and we are ready on every perspective from software to hardware. We just need your help to bring this project to the public. So join us today to create the future of digital asset security.